We need to make the access to these books easier. We need to sort out the different editions of these works. A lot of Yiddish literature is not even available in book form. You can only find it in the newspapers, in the press, in the journal. So we need to, that's the big challenge, that this should be made available online. I mean, we should scan all this stuff so people can use it and read it, and so they don't have to go to dusty libraries to look it up, right? So that's what I call about, we need to maintenance of the Yiddish cultural infrastructure. That's a very important thing. Academic editions of the great writers in Yiddish. And that's really I think the main task that I see now. The translations I'm not worried about. I mean, they will come. I mean, because we have so many great writers, they will be translated. I don't think that's where as Yiddish scholars, where our primary focus should be, and we shouldn't use time on that. Just to give you an example, there's I read an article in a Danish newspaper when I left here last week, and this is an important Danish writer who is not, I mean, he's not the top. He's canonical, but he's not the top of the canon. And now they're preparing an 11-volume edition of his work, sponsored by the Danish Literature Society, which is an official governmental institution. And there's going to be an 11-volume edition of his work with notes and commentary and introduction. Why can't we do that for at least for our classical writers, right? And we don't have that. We have a lot of different editions of their work, but we don't have these academic editions, which is really, I think, basic for the field and should be basic for the field. And I don't know. I think the way to get around this and be able to do these things, which will be costly, is not through the academic system. Actually, it's going to be outside the academic system. We need to get funding from organizations outside academia for these kind of projects. And the National Yiddish Book Center is obviously a great place to do it.